Today we are talking about the many moods of Bandhani, and I have created 5 different looks with the saris. So my first look starts with the very traditional look with the Bandhani sari, and by the time we reach the 5th look it will become very western and very modern. So make sure you stick on till the 5th look. So I'm starting with this peach pink red Bandhani sari. It is a shaded sari. So you'll see that the body is a peachy pink and the edges are red in color. It has this gorgeous, thick broad border, and the pallu is divine as well. Just look at this gorgeous pallu. Now this is a semi gajji silk. This sari comes with a beautiful red blouse. Because the sari is more peachy pink and the blouse is red, it looks divine. Okay, and I have styled this sari in a very traditional look with Indian very nice jhumkas, bindi, roses in my hair, all out Bollywood traditional. The second look, which is with this lovely pink bandhani sari. This is the pallu of the sari. It is quite minimal, it is subtle and beautiful, and it lets the rani pink shine. This is the blouse with the pink color bandhani sari. This is also a semi gajji, semi silk sari. Now this sari, I have still kept it pretty traditional, but slowly we are moving towards modern, as you can see, which is why I have not kept it in a monotone. I have not done a brocade gold blouse, which would have looked very beautiful, or a pink blouse. I have gone with a print with this sari. Kind of makes the pink stand out even more, and it creates a very fun look while still keeping it fairly traditional. Third sari, which is this lovely blue sari, and the pattern, bandhani pattern, is this is the pallu of the sari and this is the blouse piece of the sari. So I love the blue colors and I wanted to keep it in the blue family, but I still wanted to play a little bit with some contrast. So I paired the blue sari with a navy blue, deep blue. So still in the blue family, but creates a lovely contrast. Deep blue blouse kind of made this blue color shine even more and stand out even more, and it's created a very modern look. If I had worn the same sari with a brocade heavy blouse or a gold color blouse, it would have looked more Indian. If I had done my hair up, changed up my jewelry, so all these things together kind of help change up the look. We start going more modern. Next is this green color bandhani sari. This sari and the next one are on modal silk. It has a lovely sheen, which is why I love the fabric. Bandhani on this green, and then the palla is ajrak in a contrast color. Now this is ajrak print. It is not hand block ajrak, but it still creates such a beautiful contrast. This I have styled in a modern way. I have turned the sari into a fun edgy skirt kind of a look. Now I was playing around with the drape and it just fell into place. In case you like the drape of the sari and want me to do a tutorial on this drape, please let me know. I will be happy to do it. It's so fun and so easy. I don't know how I didn't come up with it before, but it just adds a modern twist. And these kind of saris, which are soft, light and easy to drape, fall very beautifully when you want to experiment with more modern drapes. And you can wear it higher, lower, turn it into a skirt. Last and my favorite, again a blue bandhani. The entire body is this gorgeous deep blue, and then the pallu is ajrak. I have gone totally all out edgy. I have combined this with a corset belt. So the blouse, the corset belt, it's a lot of it. The belt is also printed. The pallu also has print on it. It has a lot of print, but because the color family is similar, I think it works. The belt kind of holds it all in, while the drape is, I've just draped it like a scarf or a dupatta. I loved this last look and I love playing around with saris and styling them. So I hope you guys enjoyed the 5 looks, very different looks we created with the bandhani saris. Let me know which sari is your favorite and which styling was your favorite. And of course, if you want a tutorial, all the saris are available on my website ekdori.com. Details about fabric, etc. I will also try and add in the description box below. So do check out the website, and don't forget to let me know which your favorite was and if I should do more videos like this. I'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye.